Listen! NASA just announced the first crew mission to the Sun, and no one saw the danger coming. For decades we've only sent probes, like Parker in 2018, to skim the Sun's outer atmosphere. Those tiny spacecraft dodge billions of degrees by staying in a thin halo called the corona. But last month NASA unveiled Solar Sentinel, a crude concept that would place astronauts in a protective orbit just above the corona. The plan uses a heat shield the size of a small house, built from reinforced carbon, the same material that protects the space shuttle's wing edges. And here's where it gets crazy: the shield is designed to keep interior temperatures below 80 degrees Celsius even while the outside faces 1.5 million degrees. Engineers tested a quarter-scale model in a solar furnace that reached 1.2 million degrees, and the shield held steady for 30 minutes. The mission would launch on a Falcon Heavy in early 2035, riding a solar ejection trajectory that slingshots the crew to 0.01 AU from the Sun's surface. That distance is roughly 1/10 the distance of Parker's closest approach, meaning humans would actually see the Sun's magnetic loops up close. But the biggest surprise isn't the heat shield, it's the science. By placing instruments just above the corona, astronauts could repair and upgrade sensors in real time, something no robotic probe can do. That could finally explain why the Sun's wind accelerates to 800 kilometers per second, a mystery that has haunted solar physicists for decades. And that's not even the biggest part. The mission will carry a small laboratory where researchers will study how human tissue reacts to constant exposure to intense solar radiation. The data could reshape our understanding of radiation protection for deep space travel, opening the door to crewed missions to Mars and beyond. So why does this matter? Because mastering the Sun's energy could lead to new fusion technologies on Earth, potentially providing clean power for billions. All of this hinges on a single flight, and the world will be watching every second of that historic orbit. If you want to see what happens next, hit subscribe and ring the bell.